What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. So on today's look, like we're just gonna get into this, is achieving a sultry eye makeup look. That is foundation, concealer, mascara, all the shebang. If you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, please stay tuned and carry on to the video. So when it comes to the sultry makeup look, which is my favorite look, it's my go-to look, it's what I always go for, and I feel like it complements everybody without doing too much. Get rid of any discoloration because everything needs to be flawless. Blend that color corrector with my finger. Just make sure my brows are sculpted. You know that I don't pencil my brows anymore. I just sculpt them because I feel like I have grown my brows to the degree of not needing to pencil them. And also for this sultry look, how you do your eyebrows also kind of matter. So I like to a straight brow that kind of goes like this. The whole point is to have a lifted look without doing too much. I like to mix certain foundation just to, you know, that I love, just to get that perfect look. Spraying my face, and we're just gonna blend in that foundation. Look at how flawless that is. So I'll be using, one is to conceal and one is to highlight and one is to blend. You don't need to do this. It is contour, and I will be using our She Glam contour stick, and I use in a caramel suede. Just blend that. To start off, we'll be using the Holy Bird concealer. Also contour with the product, your concealer around here, because that will give you that lifted eye look. With my darker concealer from Makeup Revolution, I like a balance of this. To blend my concealer, I like to use a fluffy kind of pointy brush, and then I also like to have the foundation brush that I use just to make sure, like if it's like going too extra, like if the concealer is just moving where I don't want it, I just blend that in with a bit of foundation that's still on my brush. I don't add more, I just use whatever is there. So basically it's just a blend. So I use these two. Feel that my concealer is dry enough to blend, I then just start right in that middle and I just move the product. So just all those concealers are just mixing together. Here is just to make sure that this part is like so, and that's like already the beginning of creating that sultry. The second part, because you've done it with your brow, now you are doing it with your concealer. So to set, I will be using my Huda Beauty, which is my favorite. I'm gonna get rid of any creases before I set, and I'm just gonna stay looking up, and I dusted away any excess powder, literally just pressing it in with my puff and just somewhat start baking. I love a bright eye, and then you know what I do, I just go back everywhere, just kind of pouncing. I've seen Koreans do this. They're like using Juvia's palette. This is like my go-to palette. Start putting a brownie, you could use your bronzer. I also use a bronzer, and I just start creating a wing line with it, and I just move it to the top lightly like so, and I go on my crease like this, and just to bring a little bit of definition. I feel like this is the best way to have a sultry looking eye without having to add eyeliner. My dark brown eyeliner to lift up my eye, and I just go over my eyeline, smudge it, or I kind of just extend it just to create a much more extended wing. Blush eyeshadow. I'm just kind of like following, and I like to just push my eyeshadow a little bit up over my crease, that brown shade, and I'm also just winging it out. Mascara. I will be using these lashes from Bami Lash and winged out lashes. They're actually called cat eyelash, and they create that effect of having a sultry eye without to cut out lash and do that. You can also get mink lashes, but I feel like these are the best to do so. So let's put this on and I'll show you. I love this look. Like, I don't need to do extra because the lash is already doing it. So let's put the other one on and then we'll wrap up this makeup and talk about it. So this is the final look, guys. I just want you guys to have a good look on how you can achieve this beautiful sultry eye makeup look, and basically the whole look is a sultriness without having to do the heaviness. So yeah, I hope you guys actually got to learn a little bit of this, and this is literally my go-to makeup look and I absolutely love it. And it's simple and I feel like it's also beginner friendly. Obviously mine has the 3 concealers. You can always down it down, you don't have to. So obviously with this look, what we did was basically made sure the brows are also going like a little bit straight upwards like this, and then the eyeshadow, and then the lash, and then the concealer. So all of the look goes into how you can achieve a sultry look. And also remember this, that your eye shape, my face, your bone structure is different. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.